What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built. So make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, we've had a little bit of a rollover again over the past few days. I think because I've seen reports that the Matic network has actually been down for the past 24 hours and no one can seem to figure out why. At least that's what I've seen. Obviously that could be completely wrong, but from, there does seem to be some kind of reason why we have rolled over yet again here for Polygon, because, it looked as though, we had a little bit of a nice, as you can see on the hourly time frame here, once we lost this range, we retested as resistance, we rolled over, we came down towards that 222 area we'd say would be, decent support, but we actually rolled over completely from that as well. We came down to around that $2.02 level. I think that's just a front run of $2 as support. We get the bounce back up, we come down again, come down to around what was $2.07, which was, in and around this previous area structure here. We get the bounce, we come up, we break through that 222 previous swing high, which we said would be key. But you can see here we got stuck under our EMAs on the hourly time frame. You can see we've actually been stuck under these EMAs ever since we flipped. Stuck here, stuck here, stuck here, stuck here. Every single time that we made the bounce, we actually come back up to the 55 EMA. We get stuck and then we roll over again, and you can see Polygon here looking like it was making a nice little recovery here and getting back up above that 222 level, which we did say would be critical, but we actually rolled over again. We came back and swept the low. Obviously you can see all the bullish divergences that we are seeing here on the RSI here and on the histogram. Very clear bullish divergences on our hourly time frame, so you would expect, a kind of scooping formation like this where the price action comes down, gets that kind of W double bottom. You can see here we've come down, we made the W and the second low, and now we're coming back up hopefully towards this area here where we can see that reversal and that clean breakout. So Polygon, it's obviously an amazing project, isn't it? It's got so much adoption recently. More and more projects are starting to get built on it. Everyone's starting to realize, Polygon, super ridiculously low fees, super fast blockchain. There's a lot of potential for DeFi on Polygon. It's never really got that much adoption from what we can tell. We've seen Phantom, Avalanche, Solana, for example, getting far more adoption than Polygon has as a layer 1 alternative. At least from what we've seen, it does have it does have Aave and all those other cross-chain kind of DeFi protocols, but there's not really that much native stuff on Polygon, which is, in our opinion, one of the reasons why it hasn't really reached the heights that it potentially could. In our opinion, we think it's one of the best layer 1 solutions, we would say. In terms of the team, really quality team, obviously. They've done very well. The price action has obviously done very well in the past as well. Currently sitting at around $2.10. I mean, we do think this could, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 or 6x over the next 6 months or so into the end of this bull run, because this is a quality project in our opinion. And, in the short term, we've had a little bit of a rollover, but you can see clearly on their daily time frame here that Polygon is just looking exceptionally good. That massive run up from basically all the way down at less than a cent, all the way up to that all-time high of 266, the massive coil, the breakout, the back test, and as we've always said, you can see clearly we're just heading up the stairs right now, aren't we? Quite cleanly, in our opinion, just making it higher highs and higher lows, looking really good. So recently made a new all-time high of 293, back down at $2 to retest that previous swing low as support. In our opinion, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this chart whatsoever. You can see it very clearly here that we are just heading up and to the right, slowly but surely making higher lows and higher highs continually. And you can see, potentially there is a nice trend line for Polygon at the minute. Let me put this on the 4 hour so it's easy to draw in. You can see we've got a decent little trend line for Polygon right now, looking something like this, where basically we've just been trending up and up and up and up and up like this. Basically ever since we hit that low down here. We've just had this really decent support. We run all the way up, we come back to support, have a, that crash in the market, support, coming back down again, support, up to a new all-time high, back down to support again here. And, we're probably expecting a bit of a rally from this position. So Polygon overall looking really strong. We'd say realistically, you know, we're probably going to see that W double bottom formation, because every time we've seen Polygon roll over, it has had, you know, that very decent bounce. Seems to be a huge amount of demand for Polygon at the minute, because it has been performing very well, even in the face of the recent market sentiment being so bearish. So obviously, short-term price predictions then, if we roll over, we could come back down to that swing low at around $2.02. Obviously, we did that Fibonacci level at 195 as well, the 0.78. And then moving to the upside, our targets, that 222 level is a key level, and we want to get back up towards the bottom of that previous range at 242 as well, which would be, you know, excellent to see. And then as we said earlier, we do think Polygon, you know, $5 to $10 has always been our price target for the end of the bull run, and we do think that that is entirely possible. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.